Good afternoon. My name is Klein. I'm a software engineer, lifelong learner, and avid golfer. I have a background in biochemistry and bioengineering at FAU. And one of my favorite hobbies is golf. Whoops. And growing up in South Florida, I have played a lot of golf courses. And I've learned which golf courses are awesome and which golf courses are not so awesome. And you guys might know who's in this image here, Tiger Woods. And
that's not Dareen?
No. You notice he's not wearing a collared shirt, right? And so I was golfing at this golf course. I went there and I was wearing a shirt very similar to Tiger Woods. And they said, "Oh, sorry, you can't golf here because you don't have the collared shirt. You're going to have to buy one of our shirts for $150. I was like, that's just ridiculous. On the flip side, my favorite golf course, you get to the first tee, they give you a shot of rum. So the spectrum is way different there. And it turns out that finding this information is kind of difficult. And the ratings that you'll find online aren't really informative on the kind of the aspects of the golf course. So welcome to Golf Right. We're implementing a rating algorithm based off of key attributes of a golf course that shows the unique characteristics of that golf course. Those key things are bang for your buck, atmosphere, amenities, and course quality. So let's go ahead and check out the site. Now, I do have a disclaimer. Looking at this golf site will not make your golf swing better, but it will make your next round of golf a lot more fun.
Yeah.
So we go ahead, I store my information in these course cards. At any time you can click a course card to get more info on the course, or you could go ahead and go rate. And we have some information on how to rate the golf course, what we're looking for in the ratings. And we'll go ahead and go to our call of action button. And you see here we get a full list of all the golf courses. And each of the images are they do have an alt tag for screen readers. The page is responsive. We go take a look. So it's actually really good on mobile if anyone is interested at giving a rating, if you see a golf course that you know. There it is. And let's go ahead and find a golf course. We're in Boca, right? So let's go ahead and search. The golf courses are automatically filtered from highest rating to lowest rating for the overall. And say we care about amenities, so let's make sure we get amenities that are 7+. All right, boom, we got a refined list, and now we can go click in and rate a golf course. We get some further information about the course. We can link to the website like that if you want to book a tee time. And let's go ahead and submit a rating. So bang for your buck is pretty solid. The county courses are good there. The amenities, that's why we came to this course today. It's also a good place for the atmosphere and course quality. Wish it could be a little bit better, but that's okay. And you notice that it actually calculates the overall rating you're about to submit. And you send it in, and you can see the new statistics rendered onto the course card. And we can go back, rate another course. If we need guidance on how to rate, we can always go back to the how we rate information segment, or we can hit our logo to go back home. And so I used the Fern stack as well. I used React.js single page application and styled it with Material UI, which helped with some of the responsiveness. That is deployed with Firebase hosting. The backend, I use a document database with Firestore, which helped me because I really wanted to keep the app simple and I wasn't sure which information I wanted to display on all the course cards. So I was able to kind of add different attributes on the golf courses as I went along as well. And my API is Express, and I'm using Node.js to communicate the front end and the back ends, and the API is deployed with gCloud App Engine. And future aims, filling the database. I have decided I'm going to add in my own images, so I have to go play all the golf courses now I add to my database. But also I am going to utilize some sort of scripting just to get some of the information in there. And also another challenge too is as I have more courses, I might have to query more, so I might reconsider using a different database such as Mongo for querying. And also add in a search field, because if I have 1,000 golf courses, I probably have 100 cities, and a drop down of the city list doesn't make that much sense. And to really solve the problem, I will add users with roles, and those users would be able to go to an attribute of a golf course and say, like, one of the amenities was they have a cool food truck. I can add that on there, and then other users can like that and bump that up to the top of the list. And you can find me on GitHub. I have a README and directions on how to clone it if you guys would like to check it out. And I will open the floor for questions.